What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And it's gonna be 75 degrees the whole week. It is a beautiful day to be gardening, and I'm doing a bunch of stuff. No whammy. Watch the video. Now, along this side of the shed is all my cold-hearted citrus seedlings. And all these, just like I said, came from seed, but I got more that I got to put out here, so I got to do a little arranging. Now, this is called outdoor carpet, and the name says what it is. It's just carpet that's made for the outdoors. So against this greenhouse, I get 100% sun. There's no shade here. I feel like it's a perfect spot to put them. I just gotta have something down where the grass ain't going through it. So I-chain lemon, Fukushu kumquat. I don't know what this is. I think it's a yuzu. I-chain, Fukushu kumquat, and I think that's a yuzu. All right, let's lay it out. Now, it's a lot of ants over here. I don't care about the ants. As long as they don't eat fruits and vegetables. As long as they don't eat fruits and vegetables, they all right. All right, let's start stacking them up. Oh, that looks nice to me. And there's nowhere in our forecast where it should get below about 39 degrees. These cold-hardened citrus, even though they're immature, will do fine out here. But what I am adding is my Thomasville citrine sour orange. And it's a mix between the citrine and the kumquat. Get that in there. And then I got an I-chain lemon that look bad. I don't know why it's so yellow. I feed it the same thing I feed the other one. So hey, you gotta get it like you live it. And there's ants all over this. And this is a yuzu lemon. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. I did a little shopping today. Got another one of these ones. I left it out in the cold. It tore up. But the deal of the day, I found these 1 gallon pots for 59 cents a piece. So I got like 15 of them. And I'm gonna use these to up pot my other citrus seedlings that I got in the house. Then I came across a new soil. Yeah, whatever this is, organic, whatever, potting soil. But I don't know about vegetables, but if you look at it, it's just a lot of broken down trees and stuff like that. I like it for my fruit trees and citrus. I don't know about vegetables, but either way, it was $7. Pretty good price. But I got this 4-piece tomato trellis, and of course y'all know how I feel about most trellises, but this one was pretty cool. My thing is though, I'm gonna take all 4 sides off and put it in my sweet pea bed, which I got very good germination. Thank y'all, cause y'all were here with me, rooting me on, telling me good job, bro. You can do it, bro. You the best, bro. So that's a really good germination. And of course, you know that sweet peas need a trellis system. So we got a trellis system, but it's locked in right here, right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these out of these and I'm using them as individual trellises. Them big words tongue tie me every time. So y'all wait a minute, I'm gonna get these broken loose, and then we're gonna show you Right. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with them. All right, I got them all apart. You talking about, well, why I ain't wait on y'all to put them in there? I was sitting there getting snacks and man, I ain't got time to wait on y'all. So I broke them all apart, but the cool thing about them, I can always put them back together in four-piece sections. They connect right there. You know, peas ain't gonna last long in the garden. So I got them all side up. The trellis like crazy. Yeah, y'all can go wild now. Oh, y'all can go wild. You got my permission. I told y'all I was committed to my herbs this year. So I'm currently in a battle with sweet mint over there. Keep it from taking over the whole property. But this is spearmint. And I want spearmint. So I'm gonna put it in a container. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. Look at that. That soil is nice. Look at the soil. Come on, man. Come on, camera. Don't play with me. Y'all see that soil? It's a good soil. All right. Did a spearmint. Let's check the root. Let's get a root check. The roots are good. Good roots. And I maybe gently tease these roots a little bit. And that's all. Just put it in there like that. I've already minted the soil. This is some of the greatest soil on earth. So there you go. All right, on to the parsley. And I bought it in a small container. And that's what she look like now. Cut out some of these bottom dead leaves. Cause we ain't finna waste no energy. Cause I will dry this parsley and we'll never buy parsley again. We don't eat it enough to be buying it. So here you go. Oh, not root buying at all. Since I had it in that pot. Got a big pot full to live her life beautifully. All right, we're gonna keep it going. We got some oregano, Greek oregano. And this thing took off since I planted it in this container. She ain't root buying either. She ready to go in some new soil. And I got some garlic stuck in here. Just because I had so much garlic, I had to put it somewhere. Oh, we got one. We got container worms. Container worms. There you go. Good to see you, bud. Good to see you, bud. I got a lot of worms in here. Okay. Go a little deeper with her. There you go. All right, we're gonna go back and water them in, y'all. And that's it for that. Pick this up at the big box store. This is dwarf ever-bearing mulberry. Got mulberries on it, but I'm sure that's just because it's been overfed with that crack fertilizer they put on it. So I already got 2 more normal mulberries. So I'm gonna plant it in the same row right here. They can look out for each other and keep each other safe. But I gotta clear all this grass out, y'all. Young plants can't afford to have grass and weeds around them because they're gonna take up nutrition for already small immature, sensitive plant. So I gotta clear this out. Get all the weeds out of it, and let's make a hole. That good soil that I possess, nothing I did for it. I just bought the house. If they would have had on the brochure good soil, I probably would pay a little more for it instead of trying to get a discount on this house. You know what I mean? All right, all that soil soft, she should take off in here. Root check, root check. What the root looking like, bro? I ain't root buying yet. It was getting close though. And I don't like to plant them real deep. A bad rainstorm is gonna bog them down. We'll go back and mulch it in and water in, and that's a wrap. So welcome to the food forest, little Mulberry. Glad to have you. Yes, we are. All right, this is my just little regular mulberry, just a red mulberry. Starting to bush out. I'll put on leaves, however you want to put it. So, yeah. And I got the new dwarf everbearing right next to it. And I got them lined up like that. It's 1, it's 2, and 3. Now this one ain't starting to leaf out yet, but it ain't quite dead yet. So we good though. I will have to come back and prune though. And it's gonna be the little Mulberry Boulevard, y'all. Now let's update some of the past videos. That is a white potato coming up. Little eggshell. White potato coming up. And I know some people say, hey, take your eggshell, grind them up, and they can be useful to your soil a lot sooner. I'll wait. It ain't that serious to me. More white potato sprouts. White potato sprouts. White potato sprouts. And somebody in the comments, let me know the difference. I kind of know the difference, but let me know what y'all think about determinate and indeterminate potatoes. All right, these flowers, wild flowers that I randomly planted. Some more flowers that I planted. I gotta have my flower game on point this year, y'all. I slacked a little bit last year. And here's some more wildflowers and other flower seeds that I had. Some of these are Mexican sunflower seeds. Bird, will you hush? I'm making a video. Jeez, they got no respect. All right, this little new bed. A lot of weeds took over. I didn't really care. But some of these never did form a head. I'm gonna give them a little more time. I need to start pulling some of these mustard though. Some of these mustards can go in the house with me ASAP. And I don't know what happened to this one. This one looking super crazy. It got multiple heads on it. Alright, but this one though, I don't know. This one, she ain't ready yet though. Uh-oh, we got a winner. We got a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Let's get up out of there. Wait, hold on. Is this one ready too? Not quite. Got one more. Is you ready? Is you ready? Oh, she ready. She. Ugh. I'm gonna have to peel some of these leaves though. But I'm finna get these.
We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Motivation of youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Loquat with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili. From young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats.
Alright, I just went ahead and pulled all this cabbage up. All the stem looked brown and had peel bugs everywhere. So I just pulled it up. These are Florida broadleaf mustards. They hold it, but guess what? They finna get 8, y'all. Don't even worry about it. Alright. Got more plant space. Still got my garlic all around going crazy. This garlic going crazy. Y'all remember the Hammer song? Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. But yeah, done with that. Let's do a graph check. Oh, she's still alive. I'm still alive. It's still alive. Alright. About 5 days later, all my grass still alive, y'all. Alright, I'm out in the rain. I just got my champagne loquat. They don't know how to spell, but I know what it is. Yay, it's raining. Let's put it in the ground ASAP. Alright, she a little taller than I want, but I ain't had it hard to chop it down. Ideally, I would want it. Look like the graph is way up here. So ideally, I would probably chop it here. But I want to see what she gonna do, y'all. Got a good price. Welcome to Broke Farms. Glad to have you. Rain, sleet, or snow, every day is a good day to grow. Wow.